Hello and welcome to vthwealth.com. In this video, let us discuss sovereign gold bond, the best gold investment option, how to invest, what are its benefits. What is the sovereign gold bond? Who is the issuer? Sovereign gold bonds are government securities denominated in grams of gold. They are substitute for holding a physical gold. Bond is issued by Reserve Bank on behalf of Government of India. Why should I buy sovereign gold bond rather than physical gold? What are its benefits? Quantity of gold is protected. Investments are guaranteed by Government of India on quantity of gold. There is no making charges and wastage charges. There is no storage charges such as bank locker charges. If you are keeping the gold in a bank, you need to pay locker charges. No need to worry about the purity of the gold. Bonds are held in RBI books, so there is no risk of loss. At the time of redemption or premature redemption, you will receive the ongoing market price at that time. 2.5% interest will be paid on your investments in SGB. Interests are paid semi-annually. The capital gain tax arising on redemption of SGB to an individual has been exempted. Who is eligible to invest in SGBs? Indian residents are eligible. They include individuals, HUFs, trusts, universities and charitable institutions. Individual investors with subsequent change in residential status from resident to non-resident may continue to hold SGB till early redemption or maturity. Whether joint holding will be allowed? Joint holding is allowed. Can a minor invest in SGB? Yes, the minor on behalf of the application on behalf of minor has to be made by his or her guardian. How to buy, where to apply? Can apply through your online trading account. Once successfully brought the SGBs, they will reflect in your Demat account. Can also apply through issuing banks, shareholding Corporation of India Limited offices, designated post offices. PAN is mandatory for applying to SGB. What is the maximum and the minimum limit for investment? The minimum is 1 gram for all, maximum is 4 kg per year for individuals and HUF, maximum is 20 kg per year for trusts. In case of joint holding, limit applies to first applicant. Can each member of the family buy 4 kg their own name? Yes, each family member can buy bonds in his or her own name if they satisfy the eligibility criteria. Can an investor or trust buy 4 kg or 20 kg of worth of SGB every year? Yes, an investor or trust can buy 4 kg or 20 kg of worth gold every year, as the ceiling has been fixed on a fiscal year April to March basis. Is the maximum limit of 4 kg applicable in case of joint holding? The maximum limit will be applicable to the first applicant in case of joint holding for that specific application. What is the rate of interest and how will the interest be paid? Bonds bear the interest rate of 2.5% fixed rate per annum on amount of initial investment. Interest will be credited semi-annually to the bank account of investor and the interest will be payable on maturity along with the principal. The last interest will be payable on maturity along with the principal. Who are the authorized agencies selling the SGBs? Authorized stock exchanges either directly or through agents or brokers. Nationalized banks, scheduled private banks, scheduled foreign banks, designated post offices and shareholding corporation of India, stock holding corporation of India. If I apply, am I assured of allotment? If customer meets eligibility criteria and produces valid identification document and remits the application money on time, he or she will receive the allotment. Can I apply online? Yes, customer can apply online through website of the listed scheduled commercial banks. Issue price of the bond will be 50 per gram, the 50 rupees per gram less than nominal value to those investors applying online, and payments against the application is made through digital mode. So there is advantage if you buy online and pay in digital mode, you will get 50 rupees less per gram. You will get a 50 rupees discount. At what price the bonds are sold? Average closing price of the gold 999 purity for the last 3 business days of the week preceding the subscription period. What will I get on redemption? On maturity, gold bonds shall be redeemed in Indian rupees. The redemption price shall be based on simple average of closing price of gold 999 purity of previous 3 business days from the date of repayment. Rates are published by Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association Limited. How will I get redemption amount? Both interest and redemption proceeds will be credited to bank account furnished by the customer at the time of buying the bond. Can I encash the bond anytime I want? Is the premature redemption allowed? Tenor of the bond is 8 years. Early encashment or redemption of bond is allowed after 5th year from the date of issue on coupon payment dates. Bonds can also be sold or transferred to other eligible investor via stock exchanges. The bonds will be tradable on stock exchanges. If held in demat form, it can also be transferred to any other eligible investor. You can sell the bond even before 5 years. If you are holding the bond in demat form, you can sell via stock exchanges. What are the tax implications on bond, interest and capital gain? Tax is not applicable on the bond while purchasing. No capital gain tax for individuals. Interest on bond will be taxable. Can I trade these bonds? Bonds are tradable from the date notified by RBI. Bonds can also be sold and transferred. Partial transfer of the bond is also possible. Only bonds held in demat with depositories can be traded in stock exchanges. RBI has set up a dedicated email ID for addressing the queries related to SGB. This is the email ID. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.